how does the Nexa do in the rain? Well, it's a rainy day, so let's find out.
All right, it's a rainy day in the neighborhood. It's a rainy day in the neighborhood. Okay, here it is in the rain. I'll stop with my singing. Okay, so here is your lever. Push it down again. Go faster. You've got the 2 positions there. Okay. Oh, I don't have the fluid in there. All right, so, and we're gonna make it, and we are a little foggy. So I'm gonna turn on the air. I'm gonna put it in cool. You probably can't see that. Oh, I need some windshield. You probably can't see that, but it's already cleared it up. It is a bit muggy as well. Of course, Dash is here. Here we are in the rain. Yeah. So if you wondered, that's what it's like. And we're a little foggy back there, but we just turned it on, so we'll give it a few minutes, and it's not much. If you can't see it in the video, then it's not a lot. But you've got your defoggers right there, right? On both sides. Here we are. Nexa's in the rain.